looks like the big American fighter plane makers are keen to not just supply to the Indian Air Force, but are also open to manufacturing here. Srinjoy Chaudhary from Times Now is joining us with these exclusive details. Srinjoy, what is the proposal? And it definitely comes as a huge boost for the government's Make in India program.
Today, Ashton Carter, the U.S. Secretary of Defense, and Manohar Parrikar had a long meeting. And it is very clear now, because even officially the Defense Ministry has spoken about it. The point is that, yes, two manufacturers, in this case Boeing and Lockheed Martin, which make the F-18 and the F-16 respectively, have offered to the government of India to make the planes here, of course, and then sell it to the Indian Air Force. The point is, will the Indian Air Force and the government of India buy the F-16 or F-18? There has been a problem with the Rafale. Only 36 are to be bought, and even that deal is not complete. Initially, 126 were to be bought. But the Indian government today has made one point. They have said that there is no point in Boeing or Lockheed Martin bringing SKD or CKD equipment and just putting it together. What India wants is a supply chain, which means that Indian manufacturers, Indian MSMEs will have to be part of this. And the idea is that if Indian firms make certain parts of this F-16 or the F-18, then India may be interested. Because the idea is to create a defense industrial setup in India, and that can only happen if Indian firms are also part of this. Once again, Manohar Parrikar made it very clear that CKD and SKD equipment coming into India and just being put together will not really do. Now it's up to both the firms and, of course, the Indian Air Force to decide on whether the F-16 or F-18 is going to be useful or not. Otherwise, in any case, even if India does not buy it, there is a possibility that these planes could well be exported to other countries. Over to you.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's a very valid point raised there. The idea is to really create a defense industrial setup, and that is exactly what the government should focus on, given the fact that Make in India is the big theme that the government has been talking about ever since they've really come to power.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.